This could be your next Galaxy device, and there's one big reason. This is going to beat Galaxy S23 Ultra in battery. The big reason why people don't like the Galaxy S23 Ultra in the first place. As we all know, Samsung is going to launch Galaxy S23 Ultra with the new Snapdragon Gen 2 processor, which will be powered by TSMC. And as per TSMC record in the past with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, the battery does improve compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now according to the Ice Universe, Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with 5000 mAh battery. But do you guys know that Samsung may use the new stacking technology? So we may see a slightly bigger battery, and with the new processor and bigger battery, we will get a really good battery backup on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And there's one another reason why I'm saying this. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be slightly thicker than the S22 Ultra, so bigger battery should be in it. Are you guys interested about the Galaxy S23 Ultra 200MP camera? Don't be too happy, since Samsung do put 200MP camera in the S23 Ultra, but with the same way as 108MP camera, so the number count only helps when you are taking a zoom shot. But what about processing the image with the best color possibles? And that is what happens when Galaxy S22 Ultra and the iPhone 14 Pro Max were compared, where iPhone 14 Pro Max easily take down the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So Samsung should work on better image quality instead of increasing the pixels, which will be hard to process. Fingers are crossed, since we don't want to see a downgrade camera compared to the S23 Ultra. Although Samsung is going to put a new HP2 sensor in the S23 Ultra, which Samsung will launch later this year. The pixels are smaller than the Galaxy S22 Ultra 108MP camera, but the aperture is wider, so that will bring more light in it. But the other lenses will remain the same as the last year Galaxy S22 Ultra. The best and most exciting part of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is its new storage option, which will be twice as fast as the UFS 3.1. But there is a catch. Samsung needs to work on One UI 5 animation to get a best use out of it. Getting a better read and write speed will bring smoother experience, and because of that, we may see Galaxy S23 Ultra could be the fastest Android phone of the next year. A lot to say, but less to expect from Samsung, since Samsung is walking on the Apple's footstep by not changing the design of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yes, we all know Galaxy S22 Ultra design is really good, but innovation is what matters, and the display will also be the same, just with the less curve. Some people says Galaxy S23 Ultra may get a flatter display, but Samsung will not drastically change the display, so the curve will be less than the S22 Ultra, but not completely flatter. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra series started getting certification, where we see the Galaxy S23 Plus battery, but the size of the battery was unclear due to the image. Samsung is on the track for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and later we may see the Galaxy S23 Ultra battery and the base model S23. Last year, Galaxy S22 Ultra gets certification in September, so this may clear the release date of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Going with the history and this battery news, we may see Galaxy S23 Ultra in Feb next year along with S23 and S23 Plus with little to no changes. Samsung is not changing much in the design of the Galaxy S23 Ultra because of changing internals. But do you guys know that Samsung have bigger plans next year, and you might see a surprise device next year? World's first rollable phone, which for now it is not clear if Samsung will go out as a retail unit or just the innovation stuff. But if you are curious about Galaxy S22 Ultra versus the iPhone 14 Pro Max comparison, you can check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.